do? What it is, what it ain't, what it stank, brothers and sisters. I got an interesting idea for you guys. And that's some homemade pizza with almond flour for the crust. I looked this recipe up. I got the recipe idea online from a YouTuber named Jackie Taylor. Thanks to her, shout out to her. Now I don't know exactly how this is going to go, so let's just give it a shot. For my toppings though, I'm going to do grass-fed ground beef, and then I'm gonna do some shredded up turkey bacon. Now for the cheese, we're going to use some organic sharp cheddar cheese. So I'm gonna pull the recipe up on my phone real quick. And the thing that had me iffy on this was the fact that it involves some doggone cream cheese. I'm not a big advocate of cream cheese, but we're gonna give it a shot. All right, so what we need is a cup of almond flour. There we go. Pour this almond flour in here. Next it says we need a cup of the cheese. Based on what I saw in the video, it says that we have to make a dry ingredient first. This is going to be the dry ingredient mix that we're using right here. I guess we just add the cheese to the bowl. It says an egg and 3 tablespoons of cream cheese. But this is the second step. The egg and the 3 tablespoons of cream cheese is the second step. Move on to the seasonings. For me, I'm going to use a different couple of seasonings. On this recipe, they said they're just using Italian seasoning and salt. But me, I'm going to use a little bit of nutritional yeast, a tad bit of some of that peppercorn, some pink Himalayan salt. They already asking for salt, so this is what we'll use. And instead of the Italian seasoning, we're going to use all-purpose cookout. Savory, garlicky, buttery seasoning right there. So we're gonna do a teaspoon of each. Nutritional yeast. I'm gonna just freehand the peppercorn. I'm gonna lie, I'm gonna freehand the salt too. They said half teaspoon salt. Just like that, maybe a little bit more. Got the cookout. And this says a half teaspoon of baking powder. This is my first time ever getting some Clabber Girl baking powder. First time ever getting some almond flour too. Gotta be curious up in the kitchen. What I normally eat is like salmon and salad, stuff like that. It get kind of bland after a while. Plus I was in the mood for some pizza. It actually smelled like some damn pizza. I don't know if it's because of that almond flour or the baking powder. I don't know what it is, but it actually smells like some damn pizza. Now on the video, Miss Jackie said to put this in the microwave for 32 seconds to let it, I guess, mold a little bit. However, we don't have a microwave. So we're gonna use an oven and we're gonna put it in there for like a good minute, maybe 40 seconds. I ain't gonna put it in there for too long. But before we do that, we're going to mix together the cream cheese and the egg. And then we'll throw the dry ingredients in the oven. Make sure I know damn shell in it. I'm gonna kind of put it on the blade. That way it can mix. There we go. That's 3 tablespoons. Alright, so we're gonna put that in here. Now Miss Jackie said to make sure that it's not foamy. So just give it a couple of pulses. There you go. He said if it's a little chunky, that's cool. Oh damn, it's foam in here. Oh, let me see. Let me push the chunks down. Well, I'm already fumbling the ingredients, man. Damn, it's foamy. We're gonna make it work. Oh man. Man, we're already messing up the recipe. But for now, we're gonna set that aside. We're gonna throw the concoction on the parchment paper right here. We're just gonna keep it in ball form. In you go for 40 seconds. While that's doing that, we're gonna preheat the oven for our toppings. Put it on low for now, just until we get this pizza dough figured out. I ain't gonna lie, I left it in there a little bit longer because I don't really trust it. Oh yeah, it's definitely heated. Grab our cream cheese and egg right here. Since this is for me, I'm gonna use my hands. I like to use the spatula to try to form it. you know, when I'm cooking for other people. So since this is for me, I'm gonna use my hands to stir this around. It's not to say that my hands are dirty. It just be preference. Mix this around till it's a big ball of gooey dough. Damn, that's the damn dough right there. I like some damn dough. Let me wash my hands. We're gonna try to mold this joint. I'm gonna take another piece of parchment paper. We're gonna put it on top. Oh wait, I forgot a step. I gotta put olive oil on the bottom, or the avocado oil. So a little avocado oil on the base. Alright, we got it nice and coated. Place it on top. Now I don't have a roller, so instead we're gonna use this salt thing right here. Oh shoot! Now I don't want to hear no lip. Oh, I smashed it too much. Oh shoot! Oh, I smashed it way too much. Wait a minute. Look at it. Oh damn! Hold on. Thankfully, the avocado oil at the bottom makes it kind of easy to reshape. Shape it. Look, stall me out. Stall me out. All right, give me a second. Give me a second. I'ma fix it. I'ma fix it. A little bit more gentle. Gotta be delicate with it. Think of it like Play-Doh. Okay, it's coming together now. It's starting to look like a pizza. Hold on. I was trying to fit it to do the whole thing, but I guess I didn't put enough flour and stuff in there. All right. Check me out. Check me out. Come on now. Come on now. Give me some credit. It look like some pizza. All right, hold on. Judge me after the final result. All right, now that we got this situated, I'm gonna cook this dough a little bit. I'm gonna put it in there for about, I guess, 7 minutes, and then we'll check on the thing. All right, so I ain't gonna lie to you. I can smell the pizza dough right now, and it smells super good. And we still got like 5 minutes left on the clock. I don't want to necessarily over season the toppings, because I feel like it'll throw everything off. For the toppings, we'll just add caramelized onion butter and some more all-purpose cookout. Actually, I want a little bit of spice, so I'll add some cayenne pepper and some paprika. A girl at work asked me what I know about that paprika. Don't disrespect me. I'm gonna do 4 strips of turkey bacon. Yo, we only got 20 seconds on the clock for that pizza dough. I ain't gonna lie, I'm kinda hyped to see how it turned out, bro. Oh, there it go. Whoa. Okay. Hey, it actually came out looking like some damn pizza dough. Yo, check it out. It actually look like pizza dough. What the? And it's fluffy. All right, so I guess we're gonna let that cool off. Whoa, yo. Hey, I can't wait to try it. Kind of charred the bacon a little bit to make some bacon bits. All right, that's it for the bacon. All right, so the ground beef is finished. Okay, this is how we're gonna do this. For the sauce, we got Lucini, or is it Lucini? Lucini organic rustic tomato basil. Ain't got no sugar in it. I ain't gonna lie, I'm mad nervous on how I wanna do this, but see if that's a good amount. I need some more sauce than that. Trying to give it the pizza look with the crust. Spread out the bacon. This gonna turn into a supreme meat lovers pizza. That's kind of what I was aiming for, like a healthier version. I kind of want to do some squares if I can. So maybe I won't do crust on the sides. There we go. You can't tell me that I don't like no pizza, bro. You can't tell me that I don't like no pizza. You can't tell me that I don't look like no store-bought pizza, bro. So lastly, we just put this back in the oven on 390 for another, we'll do it for another 8 minutes. Oh, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna probably put it back in there for a little longer. 8 minutes ain't doing no justice. Oh yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, yo, that look good, bro. What's up with the dough? It's still doughy, but it's crunchy. It's like crusty. We're gonna see if it's cooked thoroughly through. Okay, got a little crunch sound to it when you cut it. Boom, bro. That's the final result. And I ain't gonna lie, it smells so damn good. Of course, I gotta try it for y'all. All right, man. Let's see, but first, let me say my prayers. Cheers to my first time making some homemade pizza, bro. Let's see what we're dealing with. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, it's hot. Oh. But you know what? Damn, that is good. Whoa, that is really freaking good. I can work with that. You know, because people usually use cauliflower, you know, whole wheat, stuff like that, but almond flour, I mess with this. It's too damn hot to enjoy right now. I don't care. Oh, that's good eating right there. That's good eating right there. And it's a healthier alternative. Wow. Cheers, bees. Good job. Good job. If I had to rate this, an honest rating, I have to give this a solid 8. This is really good. Oh yes, seconds please. That's it for this video. Ooh wee. I'm actually really satisfied with this one. But yo, I hope y'all enjoyed it, man. I'm about to bash the rest of this. This is not seeing tomorrow. If y'all got some tips and some tricks on what y'all want to cook, or if y'all got some ideas on what y'all want me to cook, just give me a hip. But I do have my limits on things that I do cook. Only cook things with fins and scales if it's to be seafood, and I don't eat any pork. With that being said, you guys have a blessed night, man. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace, y'all. Peace.